So I've been doing a lot of video conferencing recently, and by far the biggest problem I've had is lighting. So I decided to invest in my video call setup. So after searching online and reading some reviews, I landed on this setup, and it's honestly blown me away. So let me show you how this thing works. So right off the bat, nothing complex here. It only comes with 3 pieces. We'll start with the light. So there's only one button and an adjustment dial. If you hold this for 3 seconds, the light will come on. If you look on the back, you got this LCD monitor that's gonna show your color temperature and your brightness, and you use this dial to adjust both. So let's get into the mounting options. Right here, you have a desktop stand, super easy to use. You got tripod legs, so it easily stands on any desk. And if you wanna adjust the height, nothing more than a simple pull. And to mount it, super easy, just screw it on, and you're good to go. So if you don't have a lot of desktop space, there's 2 ways to mount this thing. You can put it at the bottom of this stand, or you can place it on the back of your monitor. So the light actually comes with a built-in frosted diffuser, but they went above and beyond and they gave you a gel, which gives you extra softness, and it's not distracting and it's super easy on the eyes. But don't take it from me, check out these before and afters to really see the difference of what this light can do. All in all, video calls are here to stay. I feel way more confident and I look way more professional with this light. I highly, highly recommend it.